Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are three exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Easy level. Nobody can find the odd number 14. Excellent, you picked the right one. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Excellent, this one is the odd emoji. Find the odd letter FA. This one is the right letter. Focus Master can find the number 29. Amazing, you are a focus master. Identify the different number 48. Amazing, you identified the right one. Puzzle Master can find a different letter. Awesome, this one is the odd letter. Can you find a different girl within time? This one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find a number 45. This one is difficult, but you find it. Can you solve this math quiz? 84 plus 62 minus 50 divided by 2. The C option is the right answer. Can you find the unique letter within time? This one is the unique letter. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd dog emoji within time? Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Can you find the odd number 251? That's one, the odd number. Genius can find the number 971. Great, this one is the odd number. Find the odd reboot emoji within time. Great job, you find it within given time. Find the odd letter FAP. This one is the odd letter. Amazing. Impossible to find the number 652. I know this was impossible, but you find it. Can you find the odd man emoji within time? This one is the right one. Can you find the different letter within time? Amazing, this one is the odd one. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? Yes, this one is the unique number. Can you find the number 845 within time? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one number 896? Yes, you picked the right number. Anybody can find the letter cat within time. Excellent. This one is the odd letter. One number is different. Can you find it? Amazing. This one is a different letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 82 plus 42 minus 18 divided by 2. Great. This one is the right answer. Eyes test. Find the number 279. Amazing! Your eyes like a eagle eyes. 2 exciting level done. Hard level start. You faster than a computer. Find the odd flag within time. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Are you smart? Find the number 82, 85. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test. Find the number 9252. Wow, your IQ level like Einstein IQ. Can you see it? The odd letter within time. Excellent, you see it, the odd one within given time. Test your brain power, find the odd number. Excellent, your brain power like ChatGPT. Can you find the odd girl emoji within time? I know this one is the difficult quiz emoji, but you find it. Test your visual skill, find the odd letter. Amazing, you passed the visual test. Test your brain IQ, find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find the right number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Nice, your 2 eyes like a 4 eyes. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Really, you have a sharp eyes. You find the right number. One letter is different. Can you find a different letter? This one is the different letter. The last one. Can you find the odd one letter? Amazing. This one is the odd one letter. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? And subscribe the channel.